2010 Winnebago Sightseer WFD 33 class for sale in East Earl, Pennsylvania 17519. Spread your wings and fly with this 2010 Winnebago Sightseer WFD 33 class. This Class A motorhome is feet in length and features a spacious floor plan. Perfect for creating memorable experiences with loved ones and friends. Powered by a strong gas engine mated with an automatic transmission. This RV has 3 large slide-outs, 1 awning and sleeps 4 comfortably. Hit the road with minimal effort because this rig is equipped with captain's chairs, leveling jacks and a backup camera. With only 11,353 miles, you can rest assured that this Winnebago Sightseer will be making your traveling dreams come true for many years to come. This 2010 Winnebago Sightseer WFD 33 class is ready to become your next home away from home. This luxury unit has been outfitted with exceptional amenities to ensure that you experience top-quality residential living right on the campsite. Highlights of these features include beautiful Corian countertops, 3-burner range, convection microwave oven, double kitchen sink, refrigerator / FreezerDinetteTelevisionSurround sound with interior and exterior, SpeakersDVD / CD / StereoSatellite dish, HookupsCable, HookupsSofa, ChairsLarge bathroom and ShowerMaster, queen-size BedMaster, TelevisionFull, master closet / DresserBasement, StorageFurnaceHeat pump and so much more. This 2010 Winnebago Sightseer WFD 33 class is ready to be your next home away from home. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to invest in your happiness. This fully loaded Winnebago Sightseer is priced to sell. Call today for more information on how you can cherish every moment of your RV experiences with this fantastic Class A 2010 Winnebago Sightseer WFD 33 class.